Student, welcome to our geography class. In last video we complete the lesson number 5 ocean currents. In that video we complete a experiment and some other points. Now let us start our lesson number 6 land use. The name of our lesson number 6 is land use. In this lesson starting the try this. In this lesson we starting the try this. Draw a sketch of your house. On the sketch show the following with proper direction. Student, here now we try to understood the draw a sketch of your house. You try to sketch of your house. On this sketch show the following with proper direction. In this sketch show the following with proper direction. Kitchen, bathroom, courtyard, living room, bedroom, etc. In that sketch we draw particular point: kitchen, bathroom, courtyard, living room and bedroom. After the sketch is ready, you have a discussion on the following points. When your sketch is ready, you discuss the following points, that is A. Why do we need to fix a place for everything in the house? Why we fix the everything particular point fix in our house? What would happen if there were no fixed place? What would happen if there were no fixed place in our house, like kitchen, bedroom, etc. Geographical explanation. You may have realized that there is a fixed place for everything. If this is not done, the house appears disorganized. There will be difficulties while moving around the house. If no fix any one particular place in our house, what happen? There will be difficulties. Many difficulties we face many difficulties while moving around the house. So particular point is fixed in our house. Even if these arrangements are changed, there will be confusion for a few days. After a long time, for some days, some arrangement is difficult for our routine ways. The land available in our house is used for different purposes. Even if these arrangements are changed, there will be confusion for a few days. After a long time, the land available in your house is used for different purpose. Try this. Next point is try this. This activity has to be performed by all the students together. This activities had performed by all the students together. This activities is possible in classroom. Commercial, residential, open ground, entertainment, industry, transport, agriculture, institute, mixed land use. Prepare a board with these names. Write some points, these points on the board. Let the student stand in the circle holding these boards. Let the student holding this board in circle position. Now prepare sheets with the following names and put them in a box. Prepare sheets with the following names and put them in the box. Following names means shop, garden, bank, utensil, factory, school, bungalow, residential building, mall, hockey field, cinema house, hospital, bus stop, port, airport, swimming pool, badminton court and reserved forest. Prepare sheets. Every sheet write these points. Each student will pick up with sheet and per the land use category we stand close to the person holding of the respective board. Each student will pick up one sheet. Each student will pick in one sheet. That is right on the sheet: shop, garden, bank, utensil, factory, school, bungalow, residential building, mall, hockey field, cinema house, hospital, bus stop, port, airport, swimming pool, badminton court and reserved forest. Each student will pick up one sheet and as per land use category we stand close to the person holding the respective board. Once the activity is completed, have a discussion based on the following points. When your activity is completed, you pick a sheet that write on garden as well as other points. Why did you select the particular board? You give the answer of this question. Why did you select the particular board? Explain how you will use this chosen land. Correlate our needs with these lands. This is your activity is complete. Then land use geographical explanation. Land use is a way of for purpose for which land is region is used. Land use is a way or purpose for which land is region is used. The interaction between geographical factors and man have resulted in a land use. The interaction means dependent on each other. The interaction between geographical factors and man have resulted in land use. Land use undergoes change with time. As man's need have increased, the use of land for different purpose has also increased. Mineral rich land is used for mining. Fertile plains are used for agriculture. Student, you know the for so many types of lands. So many types of lands. Land use is a way or purpose for which land is region is used. Which land is used for which purpose. The interaction between geographical factors means dependent. They are dependent to each other means geographical factors, and man have resulted in land use. Land use undergoes change with time. Land use undergoes change with time. A man's need have increased use of land. Man's need have increased the use of land for different purpose have also increased. Mineral rich land is used for mining. You know student, mineral which land is mineral rich used for mining. Fertile plain are used for agriculture. Our India is an agriculture country, so we use so many times fertile plains land for agriculture. Here complete some points in next period land of use.